motherfucking problem. Niggas running up on me, gon' need a motherfucking duck. I done shot too many niggas, need another fucking chop. What? I'm a motherfucking problem, little nigga. What? I'm a motherfucker. I done shot too many niggas, need another fucking chop. Ooh, shit, I'm on your motherfucking ass. Come outside, I'm in your motherfucking grass. You still in school, I'm in your motherfucking class. I got one motherfucking problem. Niggas running up on me, gon' need a
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Chopper Show, man. We got the Gabor double barrel AR-15, aka two-headed Cobra. We got two trigger mechanisms here, left and the right. You got two barrels, and you got two magazines. Let's have some fucking fun today.
Also today, we got the VZ58. It's an AK variant. The shells come out the top, a little bit quicker than the AK. Also, we got the fully adjustable stock on it and the sling, shoulder sling. So, check these out.
All right, big boy shit. This bitch like 100 pounds, man. This ain't for no pee-wees, man. Big steppers only, man. So we got two triggers. We're gonna try the left trigger first, then we're gonna do the right trigger, then we're gonna hit them both at the same time.
All right, time to see if we can take out some of these pumpkins. VZ58, AK variant. Yep. Back of that thing empty. Carved that pumpkin up. Even got him a little smirk. Make a face. Oh, hey, boy.
This one you wanna blow their ass up while they laying there gushing out of blood after they done ran up in your fucking house with your babies in there. Punish their ass, man.